As part of Fáilte Ireland's financial recovery supports, this video demonstrates how to populate the pre-opening costs template to help you accurately calculate the costs required to reopen your business. In advance of your business reopening, there are a number of costs that will need to be considered. The pre or reopening phase occurs in advance of the business opening and will include staffing costs, food and beverage requirements and other stocks, administration and general expenses, sales and marketing activities, and any necessary repairs and maintenance. Additional cleaning and health and safety purchases, including protection equipment, will also need to be considered. In addition, the business may have costs for payment of creditors. The pre-opening template shown here allows you to enter all of your costs and requirements and will calculate your total pre-opening expenses. As with the other Excel templates, only the cells in orange should be populated. There is a relevant pre-opening template for each sector, which is also included in the P&L Excel template, therefore linking the data to your full P&L forecast. The template starts out with asking you to calculate your staffing needs. This particular pre-opening template is for a hotel and shows the various positions within each department. Taking the position of housekeeping as an example, enter the number of staff, the total number of hours required for that position, the hourly rate, and correct PRSI. The full calculation will appear here in this column. We have also included holiday pay at 8%. Complete this for all relevant personnel and use the other positions for specific roles within your operation. The total payroll cost will be shown here. The cost of sales for food, beverage, and other stocks, as per the relevant sector, will be entered here in these rows. Other pre-opening expenses are now entered here. These include other items that may be required to reopen the property, such as paint or materials for repairs and maintenance, paper, housekeeping, or other necessary supplies. These will all be entered as a euro amount. Fixed costs are entered as the total annual amount, and the appropriate proportion of the pre-opening period will be calculated here. The total fixed costs apportioned for this period is shown in this cell. A number of creditors may have to be paid in advance of opening or in receipt of new stock. These could include food, beverage, utilities, linen, or other such suppliers. Total creditor payments are shown here, and finally, the total pre-opening costs are summarized here. This pre-opening template can be used as a standalone document or as part of the full P&L Excel template. The pre-opening Excel templates and guidance notes to support this video are located here on the Fáilte Ireland website.